Ready, set, go.
First came to an egg, then a caterpillar, then a chrysalis or cuckoo. I got a cuckoo. Then it turned to a butterfly.
Yay!
Okay.
Can you do it one more time? One more time.
Okay, one time.
Okay.
I say it again.
Look right at me when you're doing it.
Okay. First came to a caterpillar.
No, an egg.
Made me an egg.
Uh-huh.
Then it turned to a caterpillar.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the antennas.
Those are his antennas.
Then a cocoon.
Or
A Christmas. Then it turned to a butterfly.
let me see your butterfly. Not too close. Oh, wow. Good job.
It's a book about butterflies.
Allison, what color are your nails? What color are they?
Red and green.
Red and green. Why?
Because
Because what's today?
today is Wednesday.
No, it's Thursday. Juliet, why are your nails red and green?
Because it's what day? What is it?
Cinco.
Cinco de Mayo Day.
Very good.
And in a different country, they're celebrating because maybe their fathers and mothers died.
Do you know what country? You said different country.
Different country.
Mexico.
Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe like they're celebrating because their fathers and mothers died.
No, what's Cinco de Mayo again?
I have no idea.
It's not their Independence Day. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. I don't remember. Juliet, any of your friends at school wearing red and green?
Miss Owens was wearing red and green.
How about Victor or Carlos or any of them?
I'm the only one in my class who's wearing red and green.
Really?
Yeah.
If it was California, everybody would be wearing red and green. Look, Daddy's wearing green! Woohoo! Okay, so what are you doing? Show me what you did.
Homework.
No, but show. Oh, look at you, Miss Thing, with your big numbers and whatnot. Show us the 1 through 100.
All right.
Just like her mommy. I used to do this when I was a kid.
But this time she puts lines. I didn't put.
Yeah, you're right. I used to put lines between the numbers. Good job. Okay, say one more thing and then I'm gonna shut it off.
So I hope you have a good Cinco de Mayo Day, and make sure that this is the 5th day,
Okay.
2016, and it is May.
Okay. Oh, Allison. Very good. Allison must be pooping. She closed the door. Derek, is there anything you want to say to the camera?
There's nothing I have to say.
What?
Dada, look what I'm doing.
I'm good, thank you.
Marsha? Hello, my baby cakes. Are you in your bitch chair? Look, she won't let Mama pet her when she's in her bitch chair. She goes, scratch me. Chicharichis. Say, my name is Marsha. Yeah, I said it's Marsha. Yeah. She's just a cute little kitty in all South Hill.